Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the link works. Check activation under Settings to verify Windows is activated. This ensures a digital license exists. Make sure you have your Microsoft account credentials ready or create an account now because Windows links to that identity. Also confirm you're online and signed into an admin account on the device. This lets Windows write the digital entitlement. Once done, navigate to Accounts Your Info to start the linking process immediately. Now you add and sign into your Microsoft account so Windows can associate the license. Go to Settings, Accounts, and choose to sign in with a Microsoft account instead of a local user. Enter your email and password. If two-factor prompts appear, complete verification to prove it's your account. Make sure the signed-in account has administrative rights. Windows needs that to register the digital license. Once the account appears under your info as a Microsoft account, you're ready to finalize the link. Finish by confirming the digital license is linked to your Microsoft account. In Settings Activation, look for the message that Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. If needed, choose Add a Microsoft account and follow prompts. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter and sign back into your Microsoft account. This often resolves mismatched hardware ID. Make a note of the account and device name so you can transfer or reactivate the license after hardware changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.